What did you eat in the morning? I am eating bread in the morning. No, this is wrong. Say I ate bread in the morning because this is a past tense. तुमने खाना खा लिया है. Now, where did you go yesterday? I go to market yesterday. No, again wrong. Say I went to the market yesterday because तुम गए थे. Did she call you? Yes, she called me. No, this is wrong. Say yes, she called me because this is past sentences. तुमने किसी कॉल किया था इसलिए हम कॉल्ड का यूज करेंगे. कॉल का फर्स्ट फॉर्म होता है थर्ड फॉर्म कॉल्ड. Where did you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. yesterday. No, this is wrong. Say I woke up at 7 a.m. yesterday because तुमने कल उठे थे. हम तुम पूछे कब उठे थे. Did you watch the movie? Yes, I watched it last night. No, again wrong. Say yes, I watched it last night. I watched it last night because तुमने देखी थी मूवी. Why were you late? I'm missing the bus. I am missing the bus. Say I missed the bus. Okay, you ये past sentences है. What did you buy? What did you buy? I'm buying fruits. I am buying fruits. No, this is wrong. Say I bought fruits. तुमने सेब खरीदा था. तुमने सेब खरीदा था. Now again, did you understand the lesson? Did you understand the lesson? Yes, I am understanding it. No, again wrong. Say yes, I understood it. Yes, I understood it because तुम समझे नहीं past है. Why were you late? Why were you late? I'm missing the bus. No, again wrong. Say I missed the bus. Say I missed the bus. Now again, did you clean your room? ये past sentence है. I am cleaning my room. I am cleaning my room. No, again wrong. See, I cleaned my room. I cleaned my room. Now, next sentence है हमारा Why did you learn English? यानी तुमने अंग्रेजी कहाँ से किया? I am learning from school. I am learning from school. Wrong. I learned it at school. I learned it at school. Again, did they invite you? Did they invite you? Yes, they invite me. Yes, they invited me. Again, wrong. Say, yes, they invited me. Yes, they invited me. Now, हमारा next sentence है What did you do last Sunday? तुमने last Sunday क्या किया? I'm playing cricket. No, again wrong. Say, I played cricket. I play cricket. Now, do you read the book? Did you read the book? Yes, I'm reading it. No, again wrong. Say yes, I read it. Yes, I read it. यानी हमने किताब पढ़ी. ऐसी वीडियो के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें.